Solutions, engineered to perform, designed to last.
Hey guys, my name's Alina Stepien-Noga. I'm here with Brent Radtke and John Petty. We're here to talk to you all about what we're doing at NADA 2024. This year in Las Vegas, February 2nd through the 4th. We're so excited to be there and we can't wait to share everything we have in store for you. So let's get started. So what can attendees expect from Coates at NADA 2024? What are we showcasing? Any sort of personalized consultations people can expect?
We're excited to be at NADA this year. Coates will have a full lineup of our equipment, which include our new Max tire changer, a full line of our Coates inspection lane equipment, as well as demonstrations on Smart Lot and Smart Shop.
Yeah, Alina, like John said, we're really anxious to share some of our new technology solutions. We'll also have our all-new EV post accessories, always focus on new technologies, and then really anxious to get some consultations on our alignment check system, which has got some improved features coming to NADA 2024 and also still offered at a fraction of the cost of leading competitors.
Awesome. So that sounds like a great way that Coates is able to stand out amongst competitors. But in terms of innovation and technological advancements, especially in the dealership service space, what can you share about that?
So Alina, for new technologies, really our North Star is transparency through data. And what we mean by that is we don't just sell equipment. We aim to help dealerships optimize their workflows. And we also know how important it is for dealers when it comes to service and uptime. So that's why we employ a nationwide data-enabled service team capable of maintaining our equipment through responsive repairs and also equipment inspections.
Awesome. So let's talk about customer service. How is Coates equipped to help dealers?
We just don't have equipment. We have factory-trained technicians, full-time Coates technicians that will assist any dealership with any need or problem that they have. They're not only equipped with the knowledge, they're also equipped with our Coates factory parts within their service vehicle. So that will help eliminate any potential need of delayed service waiting on parts.
Awesome. Can you elaborate on any success stories or case studies that demonstrate Coates and our positive impact on dealership efficiency or profitability?
Yeah, for sure. We have several dealerships out there with our Coates inspection lane. On average, these dealerships are seeing a minimum of 25% increase in alignments. Not only the increase in alignments, they're also seeing an increase in tire sales, as well as technician efficiency. When you're automating the process, you're not having your technicians run around and do the manual checks and measurements that the equipment is doing right on site. And this information is then gathered and a report is then generated that the dealership or the advisor can actually provide to the customer, which helps then build that confidence with that dealerships, which then in turn helps drive, a positive improvement on their CSI score as well.
Yeah, I'd build on that. Really good points by John. We just see that with the feedback we get from our dealers is how much the customers love these systems. The automated systems operate without bias and with total transparency. In the end, that helps drive loyalty for that dealership.
Yeah. And not only is it just our inspection lane, with Smart Lot and Smart Shop, we're automating the service process as well as vehicle tracking. When you have advisors and technicians running around dealership parking lots and service centers looking for vehicle keys or customer keys, that's just time wasted. Whereas now you can just pull up a quick app, take you right to those keys anywhere within the confines of a whole dealership as well. So just another way that we're helping dealerships improve efficiency.
That's awesome. So why should dealerships partner with Coates? What makes us unique?
Thanks, Alina. In terms of partnering with Coates, we're a total shop solution focused on cutting edge technologies. And as John mentioned, through Smart Lot, we really aim to provide real-time insights into the whole dealership operation. So we're the only equipment provider thinking about both your fixed operations and your variable operations. And again, our nationwide factory-trained service team of over 100 reps will ensure that when you make a purchase from Coates, you can have confidence that it's going to be supported throughout the lifetime of the equipment.
Awesome. So how does Coates incorporate feedback from dealership clients into its product development or enhancement processes?
Alina, that's a great question. I'll give you an example. So when we were working on Smart Lot and Smart Shop, Smart Shop was released 2 years ago at NADA. We actually, at Coates and Bailey, formed technician roundtables. So we invited technicians from all the dealerships to provide feedback based on their experiences with the Smart Shop, and then took that information, relayed it back to general managers and everybody at the dealerships, and then went back to drawing board. And we did change a lot of things that actually help benefit not only the dealership, but also the product as well.
That's awesome. So what specific features or benefits makes Coates products particularly appealing to dealership owners and service managers?
So we know how much you as dealers value service and uptime, and it's a simple calculation. Downtime for equipment costs more than the service call. So we're really focused on uptime and total cost of ownership. Coates is quality made U.S. equipment, and big believers in a white glove installation process for our customers and after sales support. So you can be confident when you buy Coates, it's a worry-free purchase, supported nationwide with automated solutions that integrate into your existing workflow.
Awesome. So can you tell me about our certified lift inspection service? This is something new we're rolling out.
Very new.
Yeah, Alina, lift inspections is something we're really excited to offer to the dealership segment. At the most basic level, dealerships have the most lifts, right? 20, 30, upwards of 50 or more lifts. And it's a huge management burden to ensure that those are running safely, that the equipment's not going to go down, that parts don't need to be replaced. And of course, it needs to be paired with an annual ALI lift inspection. So Coates is proud to offer ALI certified lift inspectors in select markets with a plan to roll out that service nationwide. So really focus on improving safety in your operation and indemnifying your business through a single provider. So this is really going to be a great service for multi-location car dealers. And we catalog the ALI lift inspection report forever. So when you do need to access it, if there is any kind of outside audit or inspection in your facility, you can trust that Coates could provide that paperwork into perpetuity.
Another point to add, Brent, is not only can we certify Coates lifts, we can also certify any lift that the dealership currently has. This information can then be accessed by anyone at the dealership assigned to that service portal as well. So you don't have to call your certification company looking for the data. You can basically, a couple clicks away, access it right away.
That's awesome. So how does Coates help dealerships streamline their operations?
So I think a lot of times, even me, when I think about technology, I think about things becoming more complicated. But in reality, what Coates is focused on is how does automation of a workflow make your job easier? How does it make the service manager's job easier? So automation here is really key. So we are looking to add new profit centers for your dealership through alignment sales and tire sales, but also efficiency gains through Bailey's Smart Lot and Smart Shop that are providing data and recommendations automatically to you.
Yeah, and with this data from Smart Shop and Smart Lot, fixed ops can then figure out where any bottlenecks within their whole service journey are happening today. Once you fix those bottlenecks, then, it's equals more dollars to the bottom line as well.
Yeah, that's great. What are you most excited about for NADA?
NADA is always a fun show for me. It's not just Coates, but other equipment manufacturers. I think we use the dealerships kind of as a proving ground for new technologies. The appetite for technology is much higher in the dealership segment than the aftermarket. And if we know that technologies are succeeding in dealerships, how can we use those technologies and look for inspiration across the show to cascade those across our other customers? So it's always a great show to learn new things and see new softwares and technologies and see how we can employ them for our teams and customers.
Yeah, good point. I'm also excited to see our partners that we have at the dealerships today and to build on their experiences and learn more what's going on at their dealerships, how new technology that we're rolling out at the show that can help them as well.
Awesome. So what's next for Coates?
So speaking of technologies again, transparency through data is our North Star this year. We've got a lot of things in development we're excited to share later this year, but also new products that we just spoke about that we're excited to launch and share at NADA. So make sure to stop by our booth. Anxious to meet you and give you a demonstration for some of the new things we brought to the market.
All right. Okay. So thanks, guys, for joining me today and answering some questions about what Coates is bringing to NADA 2024. Be sure to check us out at booth 4307 in the West Hall. And we can't wait to see you there.
Not only stop by to see our equipment, make sure you stop by and register for our NASCAR racing experience. What a great team builder it would be for your dealership. So we're giving away a lot of tickets, and we look forward to meeting you all.
Awesome. See you there.
Coates, engineered to perform, designed to last.